Hi, my name is Suziaris. I'm going to talk about something light today, nothing heavy. But I hope that you try to understand this topic because I've planned some other videos for the future that may touch on this topic. What I'm going to talk about today is that some of the laws in Malaysia are actually not written law. It is unwritten, which means there is no act. Tidak ada akta. Okay, these laws are actually we inherit from the English unwritten law. They call it common law. You don't have to remember the name. Okay, this unwritten law, there's a cut-off date. Not every unwritten law in England that we inherit, but only for Semenanjung, for Peninsula, only from April 1956, and for Sabah, December 51. And Sarawak, December 1949. So if there is a new unwritten law in England, that is not binding on us. Okay, how does this law came about? Okay, these laws are actually based on decisions of the courts with regards to certain matters. So the subsequent court follows these decisions and it becomes a law. I'll give you an example. For example, law with regards to negligence. There's no act on negligence, but there's a lot of negligence cases which the courts decide based on certain principles. Another example is in contract. Even though we have a contract act, but not everything is in that contract act. So there are loopholes in the contract act. For example, implied terms. There's no provisions on implied terms, but the law recognize implied terms. Implied terms are actually terms which are not in the contract document itself, but the person who is in that industry would know that it is a terms that would bind both parties. And another example is like, okay, for example, you and me, we have a contract, but somebody else benefit from our contract. So in any case, he cannot sue you or me. Only we can sue each other. So there are other matters in land, in equity, in assault, in property, and in business, in trademark, that there's no written law. So I hope you get what I have said just now, and I can't wait for the next video. Bye.